Lisson is a one-stop cosmetic packaging manufacturer and solution provider, founded in 2000. Main products are PE tubes, ABL, PBL, GBL, polyfoil tubes, etc., especially vibration eye cream tube and double roller tube. $100,000 class, dust-free workshop, 10 PE tube production lines, 8 laminated tube production lines. Monthly production capacity reaches 30 million pieces. 3D printers and flexographic printing machines, 3D pattern, eco-friendly ink, tube extrusion, offset printing, silkscreen printing, hot stamping, full automatic injection head. More than 1,000 SKUs, rich product lines. We have established a cooperative with many well-known overseas cosmetics companies. Lisson is committed to becoming a world-class packaging brand and keeps moving on.